Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I've decorated a table for two for Valentine's Day. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today there is no guests. It is freestyle and I cannot wait to see you there. Let's take a closer look at what I put together. All right, so these beautiful wooden trees, guys, I got that at Dollar General and I absolutely love them. And then of course the acrylic deer are a perfect addition to place right there next to the tree, and a snowball. So I think I did that at both sides. Let's take a look. Yep. So not only is it tall, it's a nice piece and it's so inexpensive. Then this floral arrangement right here was a DIY with items that I embellish from Baby Crafts. Very beautiful. And then the florals, I did get these from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I love the shape of that vase. And then of course I just added this votive, which I love. It's in the shape of a flower. And it also has the same color in the florals, that nice lilac color, purple color. Okay, and then this right here is the tablescape. So isn't that beautiful, guys? I just kind of did, for me it feels eclectic. I did mix metals. So let's take this apart so you can see what I mean. So this flatware right here, this came from Party City. I believe it did, or from Home Goods, and I got that a while back. So here, we have that napkin right here that looks like a diamond. Absolutely love. This was a gifted item, and I believe that the napkins were a thrifted item. So we're gonna move that over to the side here. Now, this heart plate, I can't get enough of this plate, guys. This came from Home Goods, so it's absolutely pretty. I like that. Now this item right here was also on clearance at Home Goods, and this is so versatile. You can use this with anything. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I love that leopard print. And like I said, I just threw things together, and if it looked beautiful to me, it didn't matter that I was mixing metals. And so these chargers right here, they came from the Dollar Tree with the silver trim. I also got this placemat at Dollar Tree, and this was in the silver, okay? Then I decided to put like that red bow just right there next to it as an accent piece. Now here, I have a wine glass. This came from the Dollar Tree. This water glass right here came from Goodwill. So let's start layering this stuff back. So I decided to go ahead and lay that charger on top of that placemat, like that. Then I went ahead and placed this leopard trim plate. Okay, and then because we are in Valentine's Day, there you go. Doesn't that look beautiful? So then I wanted to put the napkin as a bow tie right here. So beautiful, guys. Then right here, I put the fork on the left side, and then here we have the utensils, the knife and the spoon on this side. So this is the place setting, guys, and I think it came out gorgeous. So this is the other one. So I think that we need to head on over to the reveal so I could show you, I can have you take a closer look. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Now let's head on to the reveal.